Hey guys, Digital David here. I'm recording a little bit of a rainy follow-up video today, but this outdoor light fixture, I've had it for over a year. It is awesome. It has held up great. Really happy with it, as you can see it on my garage. So I just wanted to show you, it's been a year, really happy with it. I did cover it with like a Rust-Oleum spray just to make sure it would never rust or anything else. And I don't know if that's helped or not, but it looks awesome. It is in great condition. I turned the light off so you can see it in a little more detail. It's really a great light, really cool barn light, garage light, shop light, whatever you want to use it for. Looks great. Again, it's been sitting there and been mounted outside for just about a year, if not a little more. So appreciate you guys watching this follow-up video. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Go ahead, check out the link to this is in my video description below. And subscribe to my newsletter as well. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next video.